Unlock your potential, the power of attending masterclasses. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can significantly enhance your learning journey. Attend masterclasses. Masterclasses are a unique and powerful way to gain knowledge, skills, and insights directly from experts in various fields. Whether you're looking to improve your English language skills or master a new hobby, attending masterclasses can open up new horizons. Let's explore what attending masterclasses entails and how it can benefit your learning. Masterclasses are specialized training sessions where experts share their knowledge, skills, and experiences in a specific area. These classes are designed to provide in-depth learning opportunities, offering more than just basic understanding. Experts could be renowned authors, accomplished artists, successful business leaders, or distinguished academics who bring a wealth of experience to their sessions. Attending these classes gives you direct access to insights and techniques that might take years to learn independently. Attending masterclasses comes with a plethora of benefits. First and foremost, you gain access to expertise that is rarely available through conventional learning channels. You get the chance to ask questions and receive personalized feedback, which can be invaluable in your learning process. Additionally, masterclasses often provide networking opportunities with peers and professionals, which can open doors to new prospects and collaborations. For English language learners, attending masterclasses can also expose you to different accents, dialects, and cultural nuances, enhancing your listening and comprehension skills. To truly benefit from attending masterclasses, it's essential to come prepared. Research the topic and the expert conducting the session to formulate relevant questions. During the class, actively participate and engage with the content. Take notes, ask questions, and contribute to discussions. After the session, review your notes and reflect on how you can apply what you've learned to your personal or professional life. Also, consider connecting with other participants to continue learning and networking. We hope this video inspires you to explore the world of masterclasses as part of your English learning journey or any other field you're passionate about. Remember, every masterclass is a stepping stone towards excellence in your personal and professional development. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos. Let's keep learning and growing together.